Hey guys, how's it going? Hope y'all are doing great. I know I am out here enjoying this beautiful weather. Finally. Man, I didn't think it was ever gonna get here. Yep, today it's kind of a little chilly. It's maybe in the 50s under a little, but all week it's been in the 60s. So it's been melting the lakes and the trails are clearing, so you know what that's gonna bring about. And since I've been here, my mind's kind of been wandering everywhere. Um, it's like so much all around me. I don't know where to start. So I'm ready to sit down and start planning some camping spots and start doing some trails. So yeah, it's almost been a month, and can't believe it. The time is ticking by so fast. And today I'm over here at Lake Superior checking out the scenic route, stopping off some of the scenic pathways. It's quite a long stretch, so I don't have time to do all of it today, and I did manage to stop by a couple of them and get some pretty cool scenic spots on the drone. So I'll show you guys what I did get, and I hope you enjoy the few shots that I managed to pick up, and I will see you guys on the flip side.
Hey guys, What's going on? Oh, this deep voice is tripping me out. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching my channel.